Philippines. Since our country is the first host of Miss Gay Universe 2010, how do you promote our tourism in your conference to the fellow contestants, foreigner contestants?
Good invitation, everyone. How we promote tourism in Catalan Brigade? Okay, tourism is a very interesting program, I think.
Miss Venus, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand, please. And now, the stage is yours. Candidate number 3, Gretchen Parejo. Alright. Okay. Hello, Miss Gretchen.
Hello.
Okay. How are you tonight, Miss Gretchen?
Doing good. Thank you.
Okay.
How about you?
I'm doing fine. Do you want me to ask you a hard, difficult round? Okay, Miss Gretchen. Okay. Again, what can you say to our audience or spectators in witnessing the Miss Gay Universe here in Pigit, Cotabato?
Thank you so much.
Okay, Miss Gretchen Parejo. And now, make some noise for Eddie Gonzalez! Contestant number 4. Okay. Hi, Miss Ellich. Wala ka pang taping?
Wala pa.
Okay. So, bakit ba marami bang notorious sa Pigit?
Wala naman.
Wala bang nagbabadya ng gulo?
Wala rin.
Eh, bakit may dala-dala ka?
It's all because of beauty.
Wow! Miss Ellich, ganun kahit na Gonzalez. Okay, Miss Ellich, do you have any motto?
Yes.
And what is it?
Beauty is within me.
Wow! So, about your motto, how will you impart it to your fellow contestants?
Because I have the beauty inside and out. That's all. Thank you.
Okay! Once again, that is Gonzalez! Okay. Marca Reyes, good evening. Are you sick? Yeah. How do you feel?
I feel a little bit nervous, but I can handle it.
Okay. She's a little bit nervous, kaibigan. Okay. Miss Marca Reyes, you make me laugh. Okay. What is your what is your edge among the candidates?
Okay, thank you for the very nice and interesting question. It is indeed that we, living in this high-tech world, my age, my age of the famous candidate, well, I am so hot, sexy, intelligent, and beautiful. I forgot.
That's all, thank you. Greet your supporters and thank them.
Well, once again, good evening, and thank you for coming to our show. And just sit back and relax and enjoy the show.
You're an athlete, you're a valuable player.
We all know that sports is very important, especially to the youth, because of the sport, we can divert drug addiction into sports. So that's why sports is very important, especially the volleyball ones, because many people love it, and many out of school youth would enjoy to play volleyball.